Guys, whoever uzama ukungifonela bandla ngicela ayeke sekulate. Ngicela niye ukungifonela. Niyangidisturba. Okay. I'll be very short. Sanbonan, I know ukuthi anikho right. I'm not going to entertain. I'm not going to entertain my comments. I just want to say this once and for all. Ngidlule kuyona. I'm going to share this video, this live for 24 hours. And then again, you guys can comment under yona. It's fine. I need to take all the bullets and the shots, whatever. I admit I was wrong. I admit ukuthi ngibhedile. Each and every relationship iyaba nama mistakes and iyaba nama challenges. Whatever that I said about uVuyo was not true, and ngangekho right that time, and I ended up ngikhuluma with nomawengane. So yeah, I'm really sorry to uVuyo nefamily yakhe ngokumhlambalaza. Same as everyone la uyaba nama mistakes akhe, uyaba nama challenges wakhe, and akaziwa umhlaba wonke. And the person who exposed me is the person naye. She was hoping that mina naye one day we're gonna be fine because sinomntwana naye. We also had our own challenges, and now she was hoping that sizoba right and sibe right empilweni. Now akwenzeka ngaye ngaleyo ndlela. So she tried by all means ke nami I was stupid. Ngakhuluma naye wenza ngale ndlela enze ngayo. So what I wanted to say basically ukuthi I'm sorry, I'm really sorry kuyena nabalandeli bakhe nefamily yakhe, and also I'm sorry to ifamily yami ngokwenza yonke lento. And yeah, bekuyilokho nje. So angimblame umawengane, ngiblame mina ngokwenza yonke lento le. Imina engiyifake kule rubbish yonke engiyifake kuyona. Yeah. So ningasho noma yini enifuna ukuyisho, sengi-acceptile. I had to accept whatever eqhamukayo and deal with it ngendlela yami engizodila ngayo nayo. And to ama bloggers bathathe information from people, just know that one day you'll share something which is not true, and abantu who are weak, they'll end up taking further steps. So yeah, I do admit, and ngiyasola futhi, ngiyasola. Yeah, that's it. Nisale kahle. I'm going to share with timeline yami. You can comment, ngizivula i-comment section. Thanks.
Sanibonani, welcome back to yet another video. Thank you so much ukuthi ungene kule video. Thank you very much. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi kumele subscribe, like, share njalo. Since bengishare ke i-video we uXolani Sabelo kade ixolisa khona ke kuVuyokazi Nciweni nasemndenini kaVuyokazi Nciweni about everything that we've done. Ubeloke busy ehleba ke uVuyokazi Nciweni ongunkosikazi wakhe kubebe mama wakhe. Angimazi bebe mama wakhe ngakayibonile picture ka sisters ukuthi ubebe mama kaXolani Sabelo ba busy bahleba uVuyokazi on the last video audio I mean, and then kulena ke you guys bekulove wakhe lo engihambe nami ngayo recorder lapha uXolani Sabelo ke esixolisa ke uyaxolisa and everything else. For me, I feel like he's a very dramatic person. He's not really like kind of like man enough for me, because angazi ukuthi ungahamba uyolobola umuntu uqeda uhamba uhleba uthi nywe bengiphoqiwe nywe. After that you go to your baby mamas uthi ngifuna kunikeze le mali akayifake kuyahlejwa nje kuhlejwa uvuyo. I feel like mhlambe indlela zabo zokuthi badle uVuyokazi imali, pretending as if uyamthanda uXolani esazi ukuthi ufuna imali kaVuyokazi uyayifuna yena nje ngempela. For him to be talking like that kubebe mama akathi ubebe mama naphinda athi akayifake uyabona ukuthi nje that is just, for me that is just nasty for two grown-ups to be talking about someone ba busy bekhohlisana ngemali yomunye umntwana. Phela sizwile ukuthi uVuyokazi uze wayokhokha ngale kabebe mama ebhadala imali bekumele ibhadale uXolani ke ipap health something like that. Angazi if that was true. So she's happy for more money to come. On that particular audio, you guys yaqala lena yena bexolisa, you guys sixolisa after everything that went down. Abantu bemxeka ukuthi like really what kind of a husband are you? Ubevele ngamthanda uVuyokazi makuthi into yabo yonke le iqiniso. I feel like ubevele emshadela nje ukudlala ngaye nje yazi ukumfaka amehla abantu. uVuyo naye angazi, people are saying she was desperate for marriage from Mpumelelo Msele quickly to Xolani Sabelo. Engathi mhlambe she was trying to get back to Mpumelelo, angazi bafethu, but yeah, mangabe that is the truth, then it did backfire, you know what I mean. Vuyokazi Nciweni's marriage on shaky ground after leaked voice notes. Mzansi was baffled to learn what Chef Xolani Sabelo had to say about the register of Vuyokazi after he paid ilobola. On a leaked voice notes that are widely shared on social media platforms, Xolani is allegedly speaking to the mother of his child. He can be heard saying that he was forced to pay ilobola for Vuyokazi, which led to intensive stress on his side, causing him to faint just before negotiations took place. Can you imagine ukuthi waquleka lo emzwile bebe mama ke mayithi ukuthi waquleka uXolani Sabelo ngosuku lwelobola? Wayiquleka kwenze njani loyo? Why mina on my own I'm thinking ukuthi why hlushwe ikoloto. Mhlambe nale mali akhokhela ngayilobolo wayikolotile mntana. Mhlambe wayikolotile mntaka bawo. Angazi, I'm just thinking out loud. Usho ukuthi wayengayikolota kanje lo bhuti wayiqulekiswa yini mhla welobola? Hayi, I feel like wayibolekile wathi bema ngaze ngasala nginesikoloto. Nangu phela sethi wayiphoqiwe usambe yogobhoza lapha kumama wengane yakhe bahleke ngoVuyokazi, bahlekise ngaye ihlazo mntaka baba kuningi nje into ade beyenza lapha ngoVuyokazi. Even the baby mama, for me, she should be ashamed of herself. You should be ashamed of yourself to actually do that to another woman. Kumele kube yazi nokukhwapha wesisi to do that to another woman, ne boyfriend yakho, your baby daddy, nifonela nixoxela ngomunye umfazi. Hayi ngeke bafethu nikhulume kanje. Hayi uXolani yize gossip shame. Ngimzwile sethi when it comes to bloggers, hayibo uyayigossipa nawe, you are supposed to be a blogger ke wena ngoba uyahleba wena. Wena uyahleba nje kumele uvulela ki page. Kumele avule yake entertainment. Hayi lo bhuti, hayi shame. Kodwa ke bafethu sexolisile uthi uyaxolisa. I don't think, for me it doesn't sound genuine. It doesn't sound genuine. Sasa sizobe sesinamanye ama-audio kuthiwa ke lo bhuti useyewahleba futhi. Sizobe sesinamanye ama-audio sekuthiwa useyewahleba futhi, wahleba uVuyokazi wathi hayi ngixolise ngoba vele uyamazi uXolani unjani. Like he's a very very like a troubled man. What kind of a man are you? You are shame. But angazi ukuthi uxolo lakhe uVuyo uyamxolela noma wenze njani udade kuphuma kuye bafethu egcineni bathi impilo yakho kuphuma ukuthi uyayiphuza noma uyayibhema. Hayi angazi bafethu. Let us in the comment section, like the video, subscribe, share. Let's meet again in my next one. Yabonga kakhulu. Bye.